All right, now that we got the fore end and that stock repaired here on the Auto 5, we are ready to do some tests. I have this now set up for the high brass. And we're gonna see if that will operate these high brass Remington loads right here. We got a 5-shot. We're gonna see if that's gonna work with this heavy filled number 4 shot from Federal. We've got some just plinking stuff right here for clay pigeons. Some Super X. We're gonna test out this double-aught buck. And we got ourselves a high brass dove load. So we're just gonna see what it will cycle with it set up the way it is. We're gonna shoot all of these in slow-mo except for the buckshot. First we're gonna shoot the Remington, then the Federal, then the dove load, and then the Winchester target round, Super X. Well, this thing is just a pleasure to shoot. It's called the Auto 5 because it carries 5 rounds, but you only have 4 in the tube and you carry 1 in the chamber. This gun truly was revolutionary. And I apologize, I just looked at the video and it did not come in focus, but that's all I got. I don't have any more of that ammunition with me right now, so it's just gonna have to do. I loaded up 5 more rounds of this Super X. Let's try it one more time, I guess. The buckshot, we got a special target for that. We got 2-gallon jugs of dihydrogen monoxide. They're a little bit stiffer, a little stronger than your standard milk jug full of the ballistic liquid. That was most excellent. I put the gun down and the stuff was still raining down from the heavens. Well, the old humpback did its job. It did it extremely well. I just don't see the need to go to any other type of semi-auto shotgun. This thing rocks. Keep your stick on the ice.